G'day beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Candace from Love Wrapped, and today I wanted to give you a very quick tutorial, or hopefully it'll be quick. Like always, I will try and make it quick, on layering this is my mani. I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to get this mani. So this is a lacquer called Jammin, and I have layered a Bachelorette sort of half glitter ombre effect over it. So I want to give you a quick tutorial as to how to do this. This is a really easy one. I was absolutely stoked with how it turned out. I think it's gorgeous. I just wanted something super quick. I wanted to try our lacquer, and then I was like, I'm not really, this is the plain. So I'm not really like a plain girl very often. So I thought I'll add something. And then I really liked it, and I thought I better jump on and show you all how I did it, how I created that effect. So thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, please be sure to comment below. Let me know how you found me and where you're from and all that kind of stuff. And please be sure to subscribe so that you never miss any of my videos. I try to upload every single week. I do apologize if there's any noise in the background. I've got some workmen tradies here today doing some stuff, so if there is any drilling or anything like that, I do apologize. Okay, so I have started with, I've got one coat of, this is the Jamboree Smoothing Base Coat down. Anytime I'm working with True Shine or gel, I always pop this down because it makes removing so much easier. My nails are kind of, I don't know how to explain it, kind of sucky. They kind of suck everything onto them. A little bit like, I don't know, porous. So when I use gel and stuff like that, it can take me a while to get it off, even gel strips and stuff like that. So I do find the smoothing base coat makes that crazy easy. And for removing gel, I don't need to use the pockets if I don't want to, which is awesome. And then I've popped over 2 coats of the Jammin nail lacquer. So that's just 2 thin coats of the Jammin nail lacquer. It's gorgeous. I have actually, so that's it there. And then I've given them a light buff. Well, I've allowed that to dry completely because of course lacquer takes a little while to dry. You don't want to just chuck stuff straight back on it. I've given them a quick light buff, and then I've wiped them off with my Jamboree Nail Prep Wipe. I have grabbed I've got a Color Cure lamp. You can use the little purple Jamboree lamp as well. So I've popped down 1 thin layer of the True Shine base coat. And now I'm gonna grab, this is Bachelorette. Now, it looks silver, but it's actually got this gorgeous green tinge to it. I absolutely love it. I love it. Okay, so I'm just going to be using this one today. I'm about to pop you down and show you. But what I'm using to apply it today to get that really concentrated color is one of these old school eyeshadow applicators. You want the super spongy ones, the ones like a dish sponge, not the synthetic filling one. You definitely want the dish spongy looking one. Okay, I'm gonna pop you down so you can see everything I'm doing, and I'll be right back. Beautiful, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna just take the lid off this one here, and what you're going to do is just pop a concentrated amount of the gel on the end. Now you can do this over your whole nail if you wish to, or you can just do what I'm doing, which is ombreing or kind of concentrating it on that end. Now I'm literally just going to go and press this on. Now if you're being super careful and you want like a super straight line, you do need to be quite careful with this. I'm not too concerned about it being super straight. I'm okay with it looking a little bit, not random, but a little bit. So I'm not worrying too much that I'm getting it a little bit on my fingers. I am gonna go and clean that off before I cure it, of course. Now the cool thing is while this is wet, you can see I've gone a little bit low on that one there, so I'm just going to put that down. I'm just going to grab my orange stick and I'm just going to push that. Look at that. I'm just going to push that up and kind of out of that so it doesn't. And I'm also just going to, you can use this to, you know, create lines down. You can use it to create like a little bit more of an ombre effect. So on this one here, like I did on that, I just want to also just kind of ombre it down. So I want it concentrated on the tip, on the base, sorry, and then just kind of ombre it down. And now I'm going to move on to the next one. Put a little bit more on the tip. So what this does is it just kind of soaks up the gel part and you end up with like concentrated glitter, which is great. So you can just do concentrated glitter on the tip of your nail. You can do it on the base, which is what I'm doing here. You can do an all over and just have it like crazy concentrated. For that you do several coats. Okay, so once I've got the coverage that I kind of want, I just go around with my orange stick and clean up the edges. So just with a fair bit of pressure, scraping off any of that excess glitter or gel that I've gotten onto my, I don't know if you can see, but I've like pulling all that excess gel off and wiping it off. So this step is perfect. Once you've cleaned it up the way you're happy with, you're just going to pop it straight in your color cure lamp and cure it. Now, because it's a little bit thicker, I do cure this a little bit longer. I pop it in for about 60 seconds. Awesome. So once that's done, that one there's cured, I just want to pop over this with our True Shine top coat. A very thin layer, make sure I am capping off the ends. Get rid of the excess. Perfect. I'm just throwing that one. And that's all done. So now I'll just take like my nail prep wipe or an alcohol swab. I don't know where my nail prep wipes are. I had a whole heap. I'm getting a new office tomorrow. I'm getting all new office furniture, so I've kind of packed everything away. So hence a little bit why I'm doing something I don't usually do, because I've got my office half packed away and I can't find anything. So, but I absolutely love this. I think it's so festive. It's kind of Christmassy, even though, I don't know, is purple and green really Christmassy colors? But I adore this. I think you could change this up and do like black and the Bachelorette, which is again the green. You could do something super festive or like super magical and do like white. I just love it. There are so many of our lacquer colors. I adore the colors of our lacquer. We also have gorgeous, you can use True Shine color as well. You could even do this effect over a nail wrap or a lacquer strip. So I just love it and I had to share it with you. I do hope you enjoy. Please be sure to like, comment and subscribe. I will be back in a few days, at most a week, with some more tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. Bye.